In 2023, the internet discovered a new kind of assembly line. For the first time, anyone could launch a YouTube channel that published content autonomously, stamping out hundreds of videos a month without a human ever appearing on camera. The process required almost no friction. A user would generate a script with a single prompt, feed it into text-to-speech software, a tool that converts written text into synthetic voices, and layer that audio over randomized stock footage. This chart tracks the resulting surge of faceless AI videos. Within a year, the platform's ecosystem was flooded with millions of automated uploads, all following the exact same mechanical blueprints. But the market logic corrected itself quickly. When software drives the effort of generating raw video to zero, the inherent economic value of that video follows it down to the bottom. In July of 2025, YouTube responded with a significant policy update. They introduced a set of algorithmic filters specifically designed to identify and penalize what they termed inauthentic content. The filter scans for specific markers of automation. It flags videos that rely on repetitive narrative templates or robotic voices that provide no original human context or unique information. A single strike leads to immediate suppression. YouTube pulls the channel from the recommendation feed and revokes its status in the YouTube Partner Program, the system that pays creators their share of ad revenue. This left creators with a difficult choice. Reverting to manual production meant losing the ability to scale, but full automation now triggered a permanent loss of monetization. To stay on the platform, producers had to adopt a middle ground. They called it the human-in-the-loop methodology. To see why the algorithm rejects these videos, look at a typical baseline example, a fully automated project titled The History of AI. The script is the first point of failure. It recites chronological dates, facts pulled from Wikipedia, without adding unique analysis or explaining why they matter. It then layers that text over a monotone voice generator. Without manual adjustments to the pacing or emphasis, the audio creates a robotic signature that modern spam filters detect instantly. Raw factual accuracy is no longer enough. Without a specific point of view, a video provides no unique value that a viewer can't find elsewhere in seconds. Now, the human-in-the-loop process changes the foundation. Instead of accepting the AI's first draft, a creator rewrites the script to frame the information through a specific human lens. The data block is broken apart. The narrative shifts from broad summaries to lived experience, how technology actually changes a workday. The creator verifies facts and injects a consistent brand voice, ensuring the cadence matches how a person actually speaks. The narration also requires a manual touch. Even when using synthetic voices, a director must manually adjust the inflection, pitch, and speed for every sentence to create a natural performance. A subtle shift in tone or an intentional moment of humor acts as a digital fingerprint. These nuances prove to the audience and the algorithm that a person is actively directing the content. The machine handles the first draft, but the human editor acts as the final barrier against the kind of generic output the platform now penalizes. The visual layer requires the same level of curation. Stringing together disconnected stock clips creates a generic feel that causes viewers to drop off within the first few seconds. To bypass the repetitive content filters, a channel must establish a unique visual identity. This locks in a specific color palette and bespoke transitions with consistent velocity. This visual architecture is recognized by the algorithm as original work. Custom subtitles and motion graphics reinforce this identity, transforming generic clips into a cohesive, branded video. Once these layers are applied, the project moves out of the AI-generated category. It becomes an AI-assisted production. Maintaining this visual consistency provides the proof of human curation that secures both viewer attention and monetization status. YouTube's shift is part of a larger restructuring of the digital economy. Platforms are updating their recommendation engines to make human insight a mandatory priority. The July policy update specifically targets the lack of human effort in fully automated channels, ensuring that only content with active oversight remains eligible for ad revenue. This human involvement also simplifies the technical side of the platform. A curated script satisfies the mandatory AI disclosure toggles, the checkboxes required to flag synthetic content, and ensures the video follows complex copyright rules. As artificial intelligence makes raw production faster and cheaper, Transformative human perspective has become the only remaining scarcity in the creator economy. In this new era, the role of AI has changed. It functions as a tireless production crew, handling the drafting and rendering tasks that used to take days. But even the most efficient crew requires a human director to provide a clear vision and determine what the final product says to the audience. The winning creator is an architect. They delegate generation to the machine, reserving the critical curation for themselves. While a machine can manufacture endless content, the human director remains the only part of the process that can manufacture a real connection.